Hello everyone, this is Elijah, your host, and let me welcome you to another video produced by Financial Anatomy, the place where we'll help you take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to link a debit card to your Cash App. So first, you'll want to start off by opening the app up. Then you'll want to click on the picture icon in the top right hand corner. From there, you want to scroll down and click on where it says Linked Banks. You will then see the option to link a debit card. Go ahead and select it. Then all you need to do is input the information that's on your debit card. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've input the information, click on Link Card. And bingo, you have now linked a debit card to Cash App. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so by following the tutorial in this video that's linked in the description and also the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.